Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels and selamat datang di Study with Nova or welcome in Study with Nova. So today we will solve one question. I think it is like more interesting questions because it's like loop in loop, loop for loop. So the first one, use the code in favorite language. Use favorite language. And the first one is make a list of people who should take the favorite language pool, include the same name that are already in the dictionary and some that are not. Okay, and then the second one, look through the list of people who should take the pool. If they have already taken the pool, print message thanking them for the responding. But if they are not yet taking the pool, print message inviting them to take the pool. So I think you must add you just add some name. So you have a list. You have a dictionary that your friends have favorite language. Saprasi, Nova Python, my favorite. Go and my dear Master Romanujans. And then you just add two name of the okay. Then your friends that it is like maybe like Sarah or Ramanujan maybe, and then should take the favorite language pool, include some names that are already in the dictionary and some this is already in dictionary. And already take a pool, print a message that them corresponding. Make a list, because some names are already in the dictionary and some that are not. Okay, the first one, this is a list. Look through about the meaning through the list of people who should take the pool. Or what the meaning? Name and language in favorite favorite language I know dot item. Okay, then print I think if friends in favorite language, then print what is your favorite language and else print favorite language. Okay, using name favorite language is what what is language, maybe is it true? I and then this is friends. If friends, is it okay or is it true like this or false? Let's try. link.py. Maybe I false. Yes. So I think it is false if name in France. So because this is Sarah and Ramanujan, who has thinking taken the poll, thinking thank you gitu. And then this is name. Thank you for taking example. This is thank you for taking the poll. Else name. Please taking the poll. This is just like example. Nay. Please taking the poll. Because the quote is maybe if somehow. I think yeah. Hi name. No. Please okay. Hi name. Thank you for taking the poll. If friends. Hi name. No, is it not hot items? White. Kok hitam? No, nene. Dot gitu. Okay, good. But this is not true. Should I use the key maybe? Because I just using the key, not using the item. Hello. I think I forget to add the step. If I using okay good. So name dot it. So I can somehow thank you for taking the poll, Sarah and Ramanujan, because their if name is friends, and else is please taking the poll. I think is it good? Look through the list of people who should take the poll. If they have already taken poll, I'm inviting them to. Thank you. This is name because their name is name in France and in the this in item. Yeah, good. Do you understand? So the question is just what the meaning, because this is the favorite language, because I just using like favorite language to pay. There are some persons in favorite language to pay that person of like C, Python, etc. But actually we just using the first one, the K, not the value actually. So there are some lists in this class, and then you just add for name and language, for key and the value in favorite language. So the key, this is the key, and then this is the value in all of favorite language item. And then if if the key is same like in France, like in the list, so the print will be thank you for taking the poll. But the other one, if name is not in the list of friends, so the output will be please taking the poll. So the others then Sarah and Ramanuj, Sarah. Yeah. Wait a minute. If name in Please just only Sarah and Ramanujan. Sarah and Ramanujan is will be thank you for taking the poll. The others because this is not if name in the friends else. So the answer is print hey name please taking the poll. Hey no not hey please taking the poll. It is full of truth. A list of people who should take the poll. Yeah, actually did. It is like a list of people should take the favorite language poll. I think that's good. So yeah, that's how to solve the question. And don't forget to add it at Python. I'm sorry. Ah, add polling and then okay, then let's try another question.